Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kalissa, and today I'm going to be bringing you this glamorous Thanksgiving makeup tutorial. I'm not going to be talking through this video because, to be honest with you, my mom has the TV super loud because she's watching the Latin Grammy Awards, and I can't compete with that loudness, so I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the video. I'm going to be using the new Pat McGrath palette in this tutorial that I just got, so I'm very excited to show you guys that, and I hope that you guys enjoy my new series, Thankful Traditions. If you want to know a little bit more about it, just read the description down below. It's just going to be fun, festive, you know, it's going to include a lot of fall and Thanksgiving kind of inspired videos. So I hope that you guys enjoy the video, and thank you so much for watching.